Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to sign up for Fidelity without social security number. You just come here to fidelity.com, click here on open an account. They have different account options: retirement IRA accounts, brokerage, health savings accounts, cash management, college savings account, whatever account you want. You come here, click on open an account, and then what you want to do is you want to come here, and once this initializes, just say that you're not an existing customer. Click here on next, and then they'll ask you if you are a resident or not. If you're not a resident, say you're not, and you choose your country of citizenship. So this is usually for non-citizens. If you are a U.S. resident, instead of social security number, what you do if you legally reside in the United States, you can typically use an ITIN number, an individual taxpayer identification number, instead of a social security number. Use that right here, but you fill in your other details as it is and proceed with the sign up process. Those are for people who live in the US. Okay, you go ahead and do this. If you're a non US resident and you're living outside the US, Fidelity US actually has very strict limitations on opening accounts for individuals residing outside the United States. So what you need to do is you need to open an account with Fidelity International. So here we are on their website. You just come here and you can create your account. Okay, really that easy. If you found this helpful, make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to App Mentor.